Let's make some pure organic DIY face mask for oily skin to get glowing, radiant, acne and oil-free face naturally at home. Firstly, we are going to demonstrate homemade apple face pack for oily skin. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A and copper. These vitamins helps to restore collagen of the skin, which provides the elasticity to the skin and helps to get rid of wrinkles naturally. Copper also helps to maintain melanin production and grow new cells by building damaged tissues. Raw milk also rich in B vitamin, calcium, and antioxidants. If you have got acne-prone skin, it will gently exfoliate and clean dirt, grimes, excess sebum from clogged skin pores. We are going to show some DIY homemade moisturizer for your oily skin, which you can use as face mask or face pack to get glowing skin. If you need to make a homemade face mask to get an oil-free glowing look, then this natural DIY face packs would be the best choice of yours. It can hydrates and moisturizes mature skin. Also lightens your skin complexion. Sugar and tomato will also exfoliate your skin. It acts as a scrub by removing dead skin cells and generate new one. Sugar will lock moisture and give your skin a youthful appearance. If you want to get rid of oily skin with some natural remedy and some organic ingredients, then lemon or lime always acts the best role here. Oily skin tends to have some acne and pimples scars. I will not suggest those market available products. Rather make this natural DIY solution. Now you also need to have moisturizing properties in it. There is nothing better than raw honey as a natural moisturizer. You can apply this homemade honey lemon face mask to get clean, clear, radiant, glowing skin at your home. Aloe vera is the best ingredient, which has astringent properties to absorb excess oil from the skin and extract dirt from the pores. It is also very helpful to remove acne and pimples because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Oily skin is the result of the overproduction of sebum from sebaceous glands. Now we are going to add tomatoes, which contains salicylic acid, which also absorbs excess skin oils and unclog pores. This face mask will keep your skin shiny and moisturized. It will also reduce breakouts. Oily skin mainly very irritating for catching dirt and impurities from environment. So always keep your skin clear. Drink lots of water and try this natural remedies every day. It will surely gives you skin glow. Also treat many of the problems caused by oily skin, including acne, spots, blackheads, and greasy lines.